In this episode, we are looking at the best wood lathe on the market for every price range. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So, for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. WEN3420T Wood Lathe. This 8-inch by 12-inch lathe machine is perfect for beginner woodworkers who want to try out turning without spending a fortune. This lightweight lathe machine is ideal for turning small pieces such as pens, chess pieces, and bowls. The machine spots a variable speed control knob for easy control and regulating the spindle speed between 750 and 3200 RPM. It has an MT1 spindle and tailstock. This feature allows the use of a wide range of accessories with this lathe machine. Also, it runs on a 2-amp motor with a slow start. Nova 46300 Comet 2 Lathe. This powerful lathe machine is designed with features that make for portability. For a bench lathe, it can turn fairly large and long workpieces given its 12-inch swing over the bed and 16-inch distance between its centers. The design of this lathe also optimizes easy speed control. Turning its electronic variable speed control knob enables easy transition between its 250 to 4000 RPM spindle speeds. With this lathe, switching from forward to reverse direction is achieved by flipping a button. The headstock provides enough space for the fingers, and so switching the belts to a different pulley is a less tedious task on this lathe. WEN3421 Wood Lathe. This lathe is perfect for beginner woodworkers. It is designed for easy use and to minimize errors. It achieves this with a soft start motor. The 3.2 amp motor might be considered small, but for a lathe its size, it delivers power above similar sized lathes. It also has a variable speed control button which allows speed adjustment for whatever operation. Like most lathes of the same brand, it comes with a 2-year warranty and technical support. It also comes with 2 interchangeable tools rests for added and as such can turn a wide variety of pieces. What can you say about our first 3 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when upload a new video. Now let's continue. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.